Hey, welcome everyone. Ed here from Revolution Swing. So I wanted to do a quick video update on an absolute beast of a swing call that was given to members roughly 3 weeks ago on Zoom. So without further ado, let's get into it. From a swing perspective, we knew that this play had a ridiculous amount of big chart potential, and we warned members that this play could absolutely make their year if traded properly. The plan was very simple. So on Sunday evening, our weekly video watch list was released and issued to members, and the plan was as follows. If the market opened come Monday, if we gapped up pretty good, we could look to enter at the 350 entry level if it held. Now, if we opened a little bit of flat or gapped down, more than likely we would look to enter at 340.34 or to utilize the stop area as an entry point as well too, which it came down. Some started in small here, but the majority accumulated their positions and entered here around the 336.10. Now, come Tuesday morning, this did gap down a bit because Zoom decided to release information that they were doing a secondary offering. And there was a bit of an overreaction, but based on what we were saying pre-market and based on experience, we knew that more than likely it was going to come back up. So we sent an alert to all the members via text and basically guided everybody all the way up. And from that point, the rest was history. So on Tuesday, that day, it basically took out first target, no problem. The next day, took out second target, no problem. And by the end of the week, it ended up hitting an aggressive third target without any issues whatsoever, which that trade alone is a phenomenal trade. Now, we did have a recommended fourth and fifth target, which some members did have a large enough position size to hold a piece and see what it did and eventually see it to come to fruition. So this week it ended up hitting our fourth, and fifth target and then pushed up a little bit more. So from this point to this point, almost 98 points. And then from here to here, almost 105 points. That's a massive, massive trade. Now I can tell you, based on the recommended strike and the recommended expiry, one contract, if paid here properly, would have been roughly about $3,500 in profit, which is huge amount of gains, guys. So absolute beast of a play. Congratulations to all the members that just crushed this. So for all of you that aren't members, a little bit about Revolution Swing. All of our calls are designed for stocks and options, and strikes and expirations are included. We are PDT friendly. We are perfect if you fall under 25K in your account. You do not need a lot of money to start, especially with a cash options account. And our plays can continue for weeks producing huge gains, just like the one I just showed you. It happens over and over again with a lot of our plays. So, and then every Sunday night, our video watch list comes out for the following week, with generally about 4 to 5 cherry pick plays to initiate, and then monitor with our guidance via SMS alerts. Now, the alerts will give you ample amount of time to get entered, stop out, or pay yourself. These are very actionable alerts, right? We're just not going to let it hit here, send out an alert, and before you know it, it's past that point or, rebounding and going into profit targets. So, especially with stops, that's very, very important. These are very actionable, and we will alert you every step of the way, whether it's entries, stops, or profit targets for the first week. So if you decide to want to check us out, all you got to do is go to revolutionswing.com. And since I'm a nice guy, at checkout, if you want to give us a shot, I will give you a discount code to apply in your cart. All you got to do is apply discount code DISCOUNT20. Let me repeat that. Use code DISCOUNT20, and that'll give you 20% off your first month. So hopefully you decide to give us a shot, and hopefully I'll see you on Monday. Later.